if you don't have a CDL and you think, well, I can't work here for the city will sponsor you to get your CDL. We'll sponsor you to get your classes. So if you're a good fit for us, we want you to work for us.
I worked my way from the garbage truck up to the loader truck. After the loader truck, I made supervisor in 06. 2016, I was promoted to manager. Good medical and dental insurance and stuff like that. Decatur's a great city. I would tell them to come try and come live here if you want to, because they are building a lot and growing a lot. There's a lot of new houses and there's a lot of great areas. And that's our job, is to keep them areas clean before they can get up and down these streets and stuff real good.